Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Georgette here with another video. And so guys, interact with your girl, drop a comment, ask any question. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. So today I want to talk about how to invest your first $1,000. Say you only have $1,000 in your account on your credit card. How would you spend it? Ask that. Tell me that below. How would you spend your first $1,000? A lot of people hit me up like, Georgette, what do you do? How can I invest my last $1,000 that I have? Not $10,000, $1,000. How would you spend your first and only $1,000 to make it work for you? I'm going to give you what I believe anyone out there that's listening to me, if you only have $1,000, how you should spend that. You know, if someone told me this many years ago, I would just laugh at them and say, are you just crazy? But over the last few years, I've learned that personal development, investing in yourself is key. It's number one. Yes. If you have only $1,000 and you want to multiply that and make that work for you, invest it in you, in yourself. Don't go and learn how to make money online or to do this or to do the next thing. You first invested in personal development. Guys, when you invest in yourself, you're actually investing in your future. You know, mindset courses, mindset blogs or podcasts, trainings, how to develop the skill that's needed. But first, it's a mindset. Invest in courses that tells you how to become a different person. Because if you are looking for a different result in your life, you got to do something differently. And a lot of people don't understand that. They want more money. They want to do something else. Oh, I'm tired of this 9 to 5, the rut that I'm in. But it's not about changing one job and going to the other, or even changing that and going into your own business. You've got to literally become a different person in your mindset. Okay, because every level that you go to requires a different version of who you are. The same person today that's, earning 5,000, 10,000, it's a total different person, I tell you, that is now going to earn 20, 30, 40, $50,000. And so investing in yourself, it's investing in your future. And that is purchasing courses and trainings, going to seminars, or there's so many things just to invest in you. And then whatever your passion is, learn the skill. If it is sales, then you need to be in sales trainings. If it's the art, if it's music, then you need to invest in those things to develop the skill. You have to develop the skill and the mindset that is needed to create that life that you're desiring. Okay? And so your first $1,000, I would say to you, like I have done, invest in personal development. And that is from your mindset. And that is through courses, through seminars, through podcasts. Use that money and purchase books for sure. buy books, read, read, read. I was not a big reader until the last 3.5 years when I met my mentor. And the knowledge that you gain from other people's experience, how someone gained wealth and prosperity, how someone changed from where they were to where they are now. That's the blueprint. If you want to be in their shoe, you see people living a wonderful life, then you have to model success. If you see a successful person, model them, invest in those things. And they tell you they read books, go and purchase books. They tell you that they've been to seminars. My mentor has spent so much money on going to seminars and trainings and mentorships. And he's very, very successful. So I model that. I wanted to develop a skill at the beginning of January. I paid about $6,000 or $7,000 just to learn that skill. And that is actually literally changing my life, changing my bank account, changing my family's life, And so your first $1,000, if you can save and put away money, if you don't have money, and save $1,000, I'll say to you, Alexa, stop. I'll say to you, invest in you. When you invest in you, you invest in your future. Yeah. So don't be afraid to invest in you. Learn something new. Change your mindset. For sure, you got to change that mindset. All right, guys. So drop a comment below. Ask any question that you have. Interact with your girl. Remember to always smash that subscribe for your girl. Check out, I have a couple links below, actually. I have the Genie script. That has changed my life, from my mentor. The Genie script, it's a blueprint of how we think and then how we react. And that's what changes the trajectory of our lives, is our habits and our routines, how we live our daily lives. Check it out. I have a free gift also. One of the links, I have a free gift. And check out the Genie script. The Genie script is totally life-changing. Guys, it's your girl, Georgette. I send you guys so much love and light, as always. Bye now.